Don't you just love it when you go to make your customization and you get this? The first time it happened, I thought, hey, it's the 1st of April. April Fool's joke. In bad taste, but... Then it happened again, and again, and again. And we realized it wasn't a joke. No, they had massive server issues that day. I would log in, make one choice, it would log me out. I'd have to log back in, make that choice, make another choice, it would log me out. A royal mell of a hess. From what I hear via the grapevine, some people had it even worse than I did, so I guess I can't yell too loudly. With that being said, let's take a look at what she was able to get. You get 5 items in this box, the IPSY Extra, 2 they pick based on your profile that you have filled out, and 3 you get to customize. They picked in shimmering cinnamon spice tart maracuja product. I know I have at least one of these in a different shade. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep this one or pass it along. It's a little darker than what I would use normally, or if I'm gonna use it, it might not be to the fall or winter. But one thing to keep in mind with this Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl is it has a click when you turn the product to get it to come up. Don't click it more than what you intend to use because it clicks up, but it don't click back down. And the Tarte product is $27. This one is $21. It is from Beauty for Real. It is a lip oil. I think it's a nice shade. I think they did very well on this one. I think they did better on this one than they did on the shade for the other one. And what is his shade name? Strawberry Field. Strawberry Fields. And it says High Shine Hydrating Lip Oil. I look forward to giving this one a try. And then there were the 3 items that she finally got to pick after much frustration. This is the Maison Louis Marie Hair and Body Mist. It's a fruity floral or floral fruity scent. Not overpowering. And that's good because we don't like overpowering florals. I don't mind a little floral. I just don't want to feel like I'm being smacked up beside the head by a giant bouquet of flowers. This is 3.4 ounces, and what is its value? $30. $30. Then she got something from Dr. Lily Fawn. It is an eye serum. Looked intriguing. Thought I would give it a try. And the retail on this one, $65. Wow. Skincare ain't cheap, and eye product, yeah. And this is a half an ounce. Half an ounce for $65. What is it supposed to do for me? Let me find its box and I'll see if I can tell you what. Their claims are that 97% reported smoother and firmer skin, 95% saw reduced dark circles and puffiness, and 94% saw reduced fine lines. So, we shall see what it does. Age-defying eye serum, firming, lifting, revitalizing. This is a $38 eyeshadow palette from Wander Beauty. We've looked at it a little bit. The shades are definitely very soft. There she is in all of her glory. And that means I get to do swatches. Rush. Now. Please. And the camel will now do swatches from Wander Beauty, the Clouds eyeshadow palette with a value of how much was that? $38. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. Those definitely are soft shadows. We enjoy the shimmers. They are fun. We are attracted to blingy things. So all totaled, my box value was $181, which is not bad. What did you see that you liked? Let us know, let us know. I'm inquiring, Camel. I want to know all the details. We do have a code down below that's supposed to get you a little something extra if you want to give IPSY Extra a try. I will admit I have not had issues with their website, and even going back to when it was BoxyCharm originally, I've not had issues with their website in years. So it was a definite surprise to see the message that everything was sold out. Yeah, and honestly, at first I thought it was an April Fool's joke. In bad taste, if you ask me, but I thought it was a joke. No, it wasn't. So in case you're not familiar with this box, it's $35 a month. You can get the price down if you pre-subscribe for multiple months, but you have to pay up front. So you have to shop with what your budget allows. $35 a month, 5 full size. They pick 2, you pick 3. So for $35, I got $181 in product. I'm pleased with that, even if I don't and use and just pass along one of those lip products. It's still $160-something box. Thanks for taking the time with us today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with others. And we do hope to see you again in another video. Catch you later.